Plate 2, cystoscopic interpretation of the appearance of the bladder neck in prostatism. Figure 1, general prostatic hypertrophy, middle and lateral lobes forming one mass as seen by the cystoscope. Figure 2, schematic interpretation of Figure 1. Figure 3, the actual condition. Prostatic lobes. The projecting lobes of an enlarged prostate show much more plainly within the bladder than they do by rectal touch. If there is enlargement of the middle lobe, this is distinctly seen as a tumor arising from the floor of the urethra, so that when the cystoscope is swept around the ring of the bladder neck, at about the place where this should disappear into the trigone, one sees a fold and then a marked projection, a convex instead of a concave object. This convexity crosses the middle line to where the ring of bladder neck is met beyond. If there is a single lateral lobe, that side of the bladder neck is in the same way transformed from a concavity to a convexity with a sharp angle or fold of the mucous membrane at each extremity. Two lateral lobes project on each side with a fissure between them above and below. Two lateral lobes and a middle lobe show a set of three convexities with three deep folds between them. Plate 2. The size of the lobe may be measured by the distance the cystoscope must be introduced to keep the edge of the projecting lobe within the field. Such measurements are not wholly accurate. Bar or contracture. A bar or contracture may be utterly invisible. Sometimes, however, one sees a raised bladder neck with the trigone singularly depressed beyond it, somewhat similar to the normal picture of the interureteric fold.